Hi everyone, welcome to Slow English Studio.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena. Welcome back to our English lesson. We're going to learn real-life morning routine sentences. Perfect for everyday English speaking. You'll see examples, learn when to use them. And repeat after me clearly and confidently. Let's get started. I wake up early to start my day. We use this sentence when we talk about starting our day early in the morning, usually to prepare for work, school, or daily activities. Let's look at an example. I wake up early to start my day with some exercise. Here's another example. I wake up early to prepare breakfast for my family. Now repeat after me slowly. I wake up early to start my day. I make my bed before leaving. We use this sentence when we talk about making the bed neatly after waking up before we leave the house. Listen to this example. I make my bed neatly before leaving for work. Let's look at another one. I make my bed so my room looks clean and organized. Repeat after me slowly. I make my bed before leaving. I brush my teeth. We use this sentence to talk about cleaning ourselves as part of our morning routine. Listen to this example. I brush my teeth to feel fresh. Here's one more example. I brush my teeth before breakfast. Repeat after me slowly. I brush my teeth. I take a quick shower. We use this sentence to talk about taking a short morning shower to feel fresh and ready for the day. Examples. I take a quick shower to wake up and feel ready for the day. Here's another example. I take a quick shower before getting dressed for work. Repeat after me slowly. I take a quick shower. I get dressed for the day ahead. Use this to talk about choosing clothes and getting ready. Examples. I get dressed for the day ahead and choose comfortable clothes. Here's another example. I get dressed for work and make sure my outfit is neat. Repeat after me slowly. I get dressed for the day ahead. I eat a healthy breakfast. We use this sentence to talk about our morning meal. Examples: I eat a healthy breakfast to feel energized in the morning. Here's another example. I eat a healthy breakfast before starting my day. Repeat after me slowly. I eat a healthy breakfast. I check my phone. We use this sentence to talk about looking at messages or notifications. Examples: I check my phone before going out. Here's another example. I check my phone in the morning. Repeat after me slowly. I check my phone. Excellent! Let's continue. I pack my bag. We use this sentence when we put the things we need into our bag before going to work, school, or going out. Examples: I pack my bag with my laptop and charger. Here's another example. I pack my bag so I don't forget anything important. Repeat after me slowly. I pack my bag. I drink my morning coffee. We use this sentence to talk about having coffee in the morning. Listen to this example. I drink my morning coffee before work. Here's another example. I drink my morning coffee at home. Repeat after me slowly. I drink my morning coffee. Excellent! Let's continue. I leave the house. We use this sentence when we go out to start our day. Examples: I leave the house for work. Here's another example. I leave the house on time. Repeat after me slowly. I leave the house. Fantastic! You did an amazing job today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.